Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to do a beef stew. I'm going to use that stew we made with some biscuits on top in the oven. You can also use your Dinty Moore. So this takes milk and just the mix. So I have my powdered milk in my shaker cup here. I need 2/3 of a cup. So I put the water in first. Make sure that's all sealed up. And just shake up the milk. So there's our milk. We are going to measure 2 cups. One, trying not to make a mess here. I'm not being all that successful. There's our 2 cups of biscuit mix, and if you have things on your shelf, you need to be using them. A little bit in my pan. Okay, I'm going to add our milk. Just mix that up. You can mix that up with your hand if you want. However you want to mix your biscuit. Okay. So That is mixed up. So all I'm going to do is turn my pan on to medium heat. I'm going to open our jar. Add our stew. Spread those potatoes around. And the meat. You could add more of anything to this that you want. I think I'll get some frozen peas. And add some frozen peas. Let me wash my hands. But you could add more meat, you could add more veggies, whatever you like. Just trying to distribute this so when you scoop some out, everybody gets something. So I'm going to go get some frozen peas and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to add some you could add canned peas as well. That's what those little small cans of vegetables and stuff. I know a lot of people don't like them, but they're good for adding additions to your dishes. So there we go. Added some peas. I have my oven preheating. And we're just going to take our biscuit dough and drop it on top. And that's it. Then we'll bake it. I've already got it warming up on the burner. And that's it. I'm going to pop it in the oven and cook it until it's hot, bubbly, and the biscuits are done. And dinner will be served. So there you go. A super easy pantry meal, and it's cold tonight, so a very nice cold weather meal. So I will see you when this is coming out of the oven. Pretty much just follow the directions on your box, 400 degrees for about 12 minutes ish. So yeah, I will see you when this is coming out. Okay, you probably can't see that. Hold on, let me get a light. It's snowing. There was no mention of snow. Hold on. Okay, can you see it now? It wasn't even supposed to rain. That was yesterday. And these are fat flakes. This is real snow. It's really snowing. Oh my God. I just had to share because we're shocked. So here it is, all bubbly hot, nicely cooked. I'm going to take some butter. Brush these with some butter. And I'm going to let it cool for a minute and we will come back and taste it. And it's snowing, you guys. Did you see that? I had to show you because nobody said anything about snow. Okay, we're going to dip it up. It's still extremely hot. So there it is. We are going to taste it. But we're going to be oh so very careful because it is super hot. So I got a little bit of everything. My mouth is sweating. It's ready, but it's not ready for the heat. So, blow on it. I could just stick it outside the door for a minute and it'd be cooled off. And I left my collards out there because they can handle degrees to 10 degrees. But I don't know about snow. I was going to use the rest of them and can them for the dogs. So we'll see tomorrow. Hot. So hot. So good. That potato is so hot. Give it a try, you guys. Use your Dinty Moore, your biscuit mixes, Bisquick, your homemade biscuits, whatever you have, just drop them on top. And yeah, super easy, nice winter comfort food. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay warm because it just got cold. And I will see you all in the next video. Try this. It's yummy. You could do it with chicken stew, beef stew, pork stew, any old stew. So anyways, I will see you all in the next video.